Good morning.
Good morning, Capito. Adom. And that's what they are telling you. Hey, Anna Mabel. And our producers don't person me what?
Because the way I said and saying,
one person me what? As a moon himself microphone, no man met in any moment, maybe. What I say? And Opama saw your mamma machine, but some year me what?
I said and said the way I see Fahono.
In your me. In your many Adom, Capito. Was I thought that I drew 10 beer. Feel like semi theatum. Because I was theatum, theatum. So cry now you don't feel like
at the Tomono and saying, I yard also. I know Yabi just a yard also. I know yarding. Or some no yarding, a hunya, a hunya married. Ridiculous.
A hunya.
Ridiculous.
Is now what shall see as I say, would it change you? On the too cool. That's a dynamic. Maybe show and say, Sammy, my matchy up to baby. I walk on no one. Lovely. Lovely. Oh, lovely. Now, and also I better than you know what I'm
sick and tired.
There's a crowd, the assembly, the Anna Capito, because
fan soon to Jare. But when you're
oh, Jamo. Assembly, the Anune here. Messen Rapan, first light. We are rough, no see much, you have a car.
Yes, sir.
Tesenia, you're any saying young coupon.
Me, General, I am a mentia.
Oh, and I said, you wouldn't.
I hear ya. My cousin may come once a month. The pipi menum beba, papa.
Capito.
Because I had to say, also beyond me, my cousin politician, be always all your idea. Many wildren say, won't know all year for the votes. It is I didn't say, best say, papa, saying, your papa, the other teams would beat me in your votes in Quadia. Now, your question is a young Cassian. Yeah, young Cassian. I don't say I ain't to mean your hunty. And yes, so still bet me. I want to call. Could you be am Casa before sending Panabay politician? No, Debbie, but everything I got is Subai. I was yes, Debbie. Agent also be planning them. I got to go on. Now, some row how yes, I told. Agent, what would Nipana? I was Namaya Jana. It was all the wide in the year, Juma. Sardine and Quabec by a drunk Yamra. So proud then. As not the Aquaban. I didn't obey a Juma. Quabay Juma Yamra. It's a draining Yajuma, a yeti, and a yamra, and a pancro for one famrano, and Yajuma way so. Into a chance will be there, Baba Boy, Pooh, and Sunny. I said, as I be a cramming. Debbie, as I see a boa banner this way more. It's a quarter. It's a policy for her. Can't your world leaders. I have said this, and I'll repeat everything. Everything under the sun. The rest are just effect. Yes, a drum high wing now, multimedia wing now. Opa ye giants will be able to make your radio so. But there was leadership. Everything under the sun, leadership. The rest are just effects.
Captain Ope, what can I be one? One many a Joda Fawe wo. Haji Ali Mama Hama. Onene Casa Sena was start here. Sena was start here.
One of the fantastic women in politics.
Women in politics. What if man one of the fantastic politicians in Ghana everywhere was fit. I mean, baby, I didn't be obey a Jumano. One pay language no crano. Want you, but no. And so look at communication on my year. No, about the be communicating. Me only say the biana me bisa me say this is elections we ya ebe koso no. Ye be ye say party bia di nipa beba and as a government in power no and no be yi nipa say monto me nkrofo iso aba ni emfa say nipa no mra. And no pay one chemu or the buyer party bia di nipa beba. Na ebe ye hu
independence for
a partisan a year. Esan say ye pe we mpo said the tibiano amanwesem
and I said you on no party be
also party bia di nipa ko ria no so ware
unim ye besika unim say ye betumi abenya Ghana ha assemblyman obeye NDC DC beye NDC na bia MP aye MPP na fe yo ma ye adwuma no abomu abi ehu sani o ma ni besi
akọ the boy yes how winner takes all no ebejo
exactly
because areas to be you would have party be or power and so you only nipa na be MC.
Minya kwanka ministers kwanka entom so aba. Ministers kwa minya ka ministers kwa entom so aba.
Me ana person me restraining me. I say me
oh but mama mom penimfo aba so. Say decision we no ho it is sa wonye bold a wontumi nye. Sa me ma ho kwan yenye no partisan ayi say party bia amfa ni nipa mra enye easy
wo ye MC
enye easy
ontimi be jam bonte me kan chem say did you appoint me
ayi
o te dey call so Crouch West no
this is no nkopa mo no
ayi say ye o match no de ne ko police station
say police on say achi nipa ni bi
Naka police for na nchi bi kura nkanti ase ni wo bi atumi aye bo se mako DC to office ma yi na free office me de na bre police ni je no na fa ni tum because adwuma e wo ye expect say obo be ye no wonya ne santi ya che no
we kura no nka ye chance o mebo no
enye kwadwo
bia ni wa say eye chance nkomodo o monsa be ka no
eno de nkoma asem ke ni kura
mra no so mma kwan so o mbe sa
na me ya mama say ye ni abranti ni di nkomo no so o mo call ye no police wo ne bo ma ba so o ma ya de so o ma fo mo sanka o mo enti e den na o mo de DC ne call ye no police fo anche o mo ho a ni eja wo mo na ekire ne kwa kwachi o mo is it an afterthought
we nyina try
head of security council our district mo and obi etimi abawura ne office akoswan dese
dai say penny oda no
e de that police station say kasa your security that break it down why you say e boa you catch what's a security that break it down people don't understand you have a head of the district security council
a whole district
aba it's not the police guard no way
so we be say you
not the police guard no way. Any number one, my first question. No. Second question. DC in the district commander, no communication to say. If the Panu Assembly was a year quite time free in the office, no. Not the district police commander, no way.
Yanchimianko protect.
I'm a Nipanet Mirror police station. Oh. Send me the Nipanaba. Monfani Scientisa said you were here for no. We need Pierre Bebono. Now police force what Nipanet. Now a chain, yes, I question Crawford.
Enra
disregard one and I tell me I make say emrana ye wono as one of them brother mom no go to say she be kwai now and see a whole minister of chieftaincy actual letter a copy council of state Kofi Jamasio or the same letter or the copy about national security or the Biama regional minister or the Biakoma regional police commander will copy all the relevant institutions including the presidency. And no more kind news, Muboba maybe voice or him be voice.
Chrono crime, me fini de crude de
so you are quiet. My minute is suku
good. Oh, suku.
Kofi Jamasio say a honjo. Oh, he na peso musino. A new region at the Basabasa Beba. Wamunja wa copy the presidency. Says I no say police for Boba and say incision. A boy take to Mkusi.
How?
Says I no say. Oh, say you be quiet. By a bet sound sana a twat to nap praying about Sabasayaba. You are not for your Dumrica, nay a cop.
You are not become Brofo.
We have a regional minister there.
Brofo back will be never again.
Yeah, bet someone message you be quiet. I say, boom. I feel you are. Now, you're born home, they are calling about na minister call, na police commander call, na IGP call. The whole IGP was petitioned. A regional minister of state too. Natural security for should stop it.
Emrano so anya adwuma captain and you see a be DCC see a bed Davis say me nim say send ye wono DC kro wona ban mu no DC and the government so no and an nkrofo akoyi no it is a ban say of different party mu a
we had district assembly elections
I
think say ye to abana ebeboa.
Oh, what the beboa?
No be a mechanic, say, and now abo me, the minute to Abama.
Any MPs need DCs in Tokwa Bibri Benina, no, a true betra, quite so my fashion, dear. A1. But I'm a son of fame and Dr. Eric Odrosai, local government expected to us. Zahaja, dear. Mamino, I don't know. Or drink. Doc, what have you been watching?
So,
Major the same no ultimate Aja Lima Mahama. So when Timmy Kurentia no pay what in Comono, say Quabe Faswa, Yebe Babeto, a MMDC Suswabano. Who now you expect out of this area? Who saying?
You, I'm a far Aquaniaso and Chia a cheerful. Me who say an amontu papa and say Yacha of cry because we share a constitution in Ma. Mampeni Yato Neswaba. MPs Yato Wamuswaba. Now local government and I said district assembly I was a local level parliament, you know. I mean the name who ye sorry, consistency in governance. Yeah, national level be and can see a team go local level. Can you buy a bit me training local leaders, no we do national level the BIA and your mama. Now so the chief executive IDC way. I'm on Penny Otiakuyaso and I said president and a year. President Yom we are son amount for Akobu 2 almost. I don't know M1. Into election no the year. Now you 2 almost bar. Advantages the brave. One when you went here a one DC in the MPs because we shall DC you have 2 terms of 4 years each. Into DC you are holding the 80 years when we are. Natural progression is about MP. It is what MP there and yes I MP not check on Yasono. So I any party bow, on any party bow. The common fund the baby crown farmer no. Then I buy a baby MP in Yajma. Now Abokroma for no form. Now no DC not to maybe Diagoniano. Tiano Yabako. Me no swan no so. Said DC, you know, yet to me at 2 DC in this waba. You have the winner takes on. I so much. Yeah, share ye. Or maybe just a baby, a better baby. No. A buyer party a very winning elections. Or no, Anna, or Unipa, Nina, or you ministers, the directors of state institutions, chief executive of state institutions, oh, yeah, 260 MMDC in our way. Abasa, one, a elections in him. As I said, yeah, presidential and parliamentary, we lose what? We lose to be Pia. In terms of Nibrebem, it is here 2 almost 4 badia. This is a party in kitchen. Ebia omuntimi nya candidate kura en ko parliament no wo mo betimi at least a start efi DC no ho na start DC a bi se kakra beboa because me nka ever bia na so se ka se 2 DC so bad ne on partisan basis a minim say PPP say KEC no o mo jira mo ho betimi ye wini party bi te say PNC o betimi wini bi wo apa soro ho no baby wahu ana NDC be wini MPP be wini na no ya hyehyɛ no bia anya bi and also ebema yetimi aye near friend development test case into osha ebeye development ebeye competition among the various political parties at the local government level and no be boy because osha a development system more political parties have only been involved in development at the national level meanwhile per development at our local level so why can't they be involved in development at the local level and also that the next one also say you share near friend international best practice. Which countries are going to democracy more? There is a consistency in democracy. Local leaders are elected, national leaders are elected. There be anyone who Rebecca said, and I said, good one, and Ebia, Rebecca said, yeah, elected when they appoint you. Ghana, West Africa, hey, you're my president, appointed chief executive. Well, it's the young son for a beboy. It's in the you can't walk around. Development. This you do a whole more Tiakunya, not in the 2 and a Tiakunya. So, as I say, on penny bet make DC in at any time. The DC, you know, but Tiakunya, or any man 10 because of him die baby. Now, where dear, you no bar, dear to the Swaba, no Akunya for 4 years. When you say, I mean, 4 years, I mean, say, I may say another 4 years, and I mean, I mean, you, my dear, so. What one more bar, this you do a while, we are almost saying. I buy a year, no, or the put you mouth. One fan put you mouth, come up for to me in the field. As I so been at no buy it. Uber so you know free while. Did I say, Uber, I'm impeaching, and I'll serve my president, Abba Fanadiako. Impeachment who here 2/3. 2/3, yeah, we hear you. And 1/3, I buy a year almost. It's the other thing. So many 2/3 obey this, you know. Into your 24 bar. You say, and no, I don't know.
Yeah, bon, come on, baby. I am a deck, a say, crown here, and a yabo bidding some quay DC. Assembly members say, you're bedging 5,000 and say, that bit didn't quant the kume. And no so proud, yes, for me, say, you know, as a governance person, I am a general. The big use had the every home. As I said, your body DC be again. Now, I remember, could you see on the
this is no balance on front put you ma assembly member no ntimi nka esa say waji no hoska na we dey nyina na to ne so abadia say ye hwe na on front put you ma the next 4 years we'll use our stamp and vote him out.
But say it's possible you between your independent candidates or various district assemblies in it's possible.
It is very possible. It's very, very, very possible. As I said, independent candidate here, nobody will prevent them from standing. And about to say, yeah, to this issue about apart from political parties, on which medium candidate, abano. Independent candidate who has the right to stand. To be open standing, standing. Apart from that, it may be a him for so one candidate. I because a candidate way of free him fear uncle standing my but must stand as independent candidate. Now meaning come on. No. Any share of a share assembly elections are turn out to know a year na and year papa. We share national level elections are it means 80% turnout. Over district level elections are 43.7%. And no crying 1998. It will be so say at then elections are a fire and Kasaya Humum. I didn't put Juma brain district level. No, yeah, fire Hunju. Now there be an one my year to about more normal concurrent MPs and a president or continent can only anyone. It's a no person, yeah, and you say yes, a son or a yellow. UK say, yeah, UK about no. People are not interested in who is the prime minister. Oh, yeah, they are interested in their local leader, their local mayor. It's also no didn't put in your paper. And our friends, appointment of DC, who can occur in governance balance. It is a military government mentality. As under PNDC 1988, you started local government. So that time, who said chief executives, the then government wants to have a grip on the local government. It's also appointing in Crawford. Yeah, but constitutional rule, no mistake. I'm going to say Ghana. I say, and can you say you import to Saudi and by a constitution? And can I say, you elected president, you elected MP, you elected chief executive. We are the assembly members in your house. You are 2 Muswaba. You are 2 Muswaba, 30% to look like you came one. You who say, consistency in governance, national level elected, parliamentarians elected, district level fully elected. Then no, you who say, can you be a member of democracy, a CP.
A bit of so a raise possible sabotage. Say be a party A na what power na say be a nipa candidate back on be a party B. There's possible sabotage. Who want to say as an expert?
Offer and you also me man Ghana 40 years and say Ghana Hano. Say who bo apro abedi ekonya iso a the manifesto ne bo apro. Unya win election no pepe you want your friend on national development program. I was a obi bia no ehweso. 2. So obi ka say candidate be announce DCU be your position or be undermining ruling government entime masosa because who undermining ruling government now one kasa na undermining ho esa say in fear 9 no bepa wo de wo ye wa be say who di national government na bro no umfa mpuntunyu ma or the way ba no abo agunu in fear 9 no so na say wo ko a ukro mafo no be hu say wo ba ye no wantimi anya hwe tie nsan fa power no emma obi. It would be national level abroad. No one can would do abroad. On the contrary, me who say you opposition chief executive. One opposition chief executive. Yes, as the party any akunyaso party for Nankasa Kura never one man pesika. No, they are put to you be one for them. My own campaign, Omaka say, share national president, man farmer. That's local government will come with the mind. What would you media yedi? Moody or mining in Asha Yansa. You bet me I ye. 2. Say a opposition person, not by your chief executive. You better say common fund and delay him because common fund no delay. Obey the day, obey me crowd the abina court. As I say, Wako Shabo saw the Pudunuma Baba. Common fund no a delay. It's ever hand again. Say, when we abina the appointed chief executive. And it's a common fund no delay. Only chief executive, only why I go complaining. Who complaining abina be you ready? It's as a fine they will buy it. So they keep quiet. And maybe I became a common fund in delay, and they are common fund call regular. A baby I became no, they can't complain. Because who could complain if you ready? That's why the chief executive would be on government and make sure that the common fund come regularly in the right amount. No matter really I am Puntunuma. It is that way you try I mean can't send back on so you call South Africa. South Africa, the best 3 performing provinces are here Cape Town. And Johannesburg, and one of the town of Merifi. And only opposition mayors and leaders were. They elect you. That's how opposition may we. Oma manages our local government. They say they are the best performing in South Africa. I don't know yet to be in Ghana.
And when we say party for us, a bambi will one party new be you know all war as MC, you know. Toda who say party for the office near dear Kohano. Quite be so and in the phobia watch say and also bois. I'm yet to be checking and kakra. Say, yet two abamba or more san we are. Possible autocracy. As a yatu abama me, that attitude. How can we check it?
That attitude, no, we can check it because the General Assembly no so as a Speaker of Parliament, I want to mean your pen or the rules ne be Assembly no, there was standing orders. And there were checks and balances in our assembly. Chief Executive, we are two Oswaba, who chair in your friend executive committee, and no, yet to say local level cabinet. Here we are, your committee be a friend of public relations and complaints committee, and no, presiding member now acquires in our national level friend of speaker, no, or no chair, our committee, no, SAR committee, no, and you may DNA say, or say chief executive no will not abuse his powers, or say staff of the assembly will not abuse their powers. Obesha say yen tieti obi afa ahudi so wo hwe membership of that committee you know presiding member no na chair NCC edaso civil society organization so daso shraj and so daso into that committee na ko want to say ombudsman committee dia they put a check on the system into ebeye din pa say ya to ama chief executive we who akasa no de obeye ni ope. There are checks and balances in the system to hold the chief executive in check. To say no niama, I said, you to me hold you in check and then say, President, they appoint you mono. Because the president appoint you, but they will some powers. It will be a common one said, be ready for this local crack. That's why 2 months about. I can tell you, say, with a very good PRCC, the system will hold them in check. 2. To say no, I was saying, Yamani party, I say, there's a difference between party and government. And when we say party and the government, you know, that's also party and the government, we are government regional Hodima Ubia. If the party for now, yeah, offices, echo hammer for they need to understand it. Some person will share Nipana or party office. Under no circumstances should you come to the office and do party politics in the office. So yes, sir, you are interfering in governance.
Maminda was Dr. Odrosai. Dr. Eric Odrosai, a local government expert. What can you not come about? My young Quabontinda. You're finding out, say, young partisan, and I'm young partisan.
Partisan, the Beboa.
Partisan, the Beboa.
A Beboa. Because I need a partisan cry, party free, on beside one watching.
Call us, Nivea, Mecamadia.
Nina disadvantage, no advantage.
03022165612165662. This is the Abeto Moswaba. Yama parties now and for candidate Timra. And I say Yama Munjina, Quantacrat said assembly members no, Ejinano. 030221656121656. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain Smart.
Ebusia Yama parties in Fanny Panjina and I said Debbie.
If you say be a party for Jina Beboa.
But I say. Yamfa, yes or no? Just give me the answer because yes or no, the equatorial referendum. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Captain Smart. Obama, you may show me
Obama, young saying.
Captain, young Thomas, I'm primary.
About to know young mano and your political and this in front of me, people in front of me.
Political.
But I say. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Patrick to say. Hello.
Hello.
Patrick.
Hello, good morning, Captain Smart.
Good morning. Yes or no?
I'm in Tumdale, the partisan.
Okay, see, no.
Or you know.
No, okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me Patrick to say.
Yami for money my ashama.
Me that's money man. Yes.
Party na ankasa engine flow from Rani and Thomas Waba.
Party na ankasa engine flow from Mumrani and Thomas Waba. And a different opinion. Okay. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Hello.
Hello, Captain. Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Hello.
Yes. All right. Hello. Yes. All right. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Mpacho na say.
Nyame Adom me o captain.
Pacho.
Na na kwa me prefi ni boy town.
Wo presa political parties ni nkrofo ne nto omo so aba na asa dabi.
Obi bia o interest o mi so person to aba na onyina ne nto ne so aba.
Enti yes or no, wo pesa party for the nya na asa ma party for the nya.
Party for the nya.
Party for the nya, yes. Okay. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Gadi.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I am Amuz Robert.
Amuz Medasi, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, the Captain Smart.
Senior, what are any ana?
Captain Anion.
What are Medasi, yes or no?
Captain, for maybe yes or no. Bois, say, yeah, better. Baby, what a woman, but not going to say Antuaba.
Yantuaba, so yes. Debbie, or them Adentemu. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Jerry, I have a resource in the bra. Media, Yama parties in India.
No, because you can't say assemblyman for some year. The behind a non partisan.
Assemblyman, my dear, so be partisan.
You put at sanity.
The party be unfunded, Emra. Because we should be posters in the party, must poster we pa colors in the pa washada. I am this colors, I am PP colors or washada. Okay. What I say? That way you two, no way you one. Okay, no way you're saying 7. Okay. And any pattern and they are far on 7 say yes, Yanyan partisan. Omoni ya doing. But could you also there be? And immune to the than Temu.
Rejected ballots. Rejected ballots of a war. I was saying, I said the Bonkata Naposo. Yeah, the Ghanaian Times and Esha see Ghanaian Times and Nimia Hedgiano pay some no one or dear Trujano. Now, when you do Kunini kicking Nessa near say, Mammy, ministry, what 1 year Juma. Ministry be or call Bebone Juma. Has a Juman one will go so a warrior no. No, Bapenny Eddie Trujah say. Ghana for say Sabatu ya can you so no Nipan Sones a majority no Nyan Ghana for a mopese ye to a banye DC say any MCs no near Mobaya ne say Nyamea Domo December Busumimo any adventure no Monkona Monkoto yes Moto yes no say sa near Penoa and no be to me agina so no mayimre kunino baby a eshe say Mampenina what is one any DC no na say ya amendment ni wom na bibia tumi akoyie eti hagia ne nsamo de atudwa eno no na the Ghanaian Times ekro so emu enrensuo ye to won kran na busia Kwame Nkrumah ntwa ho ye Kwame Nkrumah circle no nyani na kohwe wo de hwe na re picture ni bi ensuo na kete na sa overhead tintin no ayesi ni wonom no na fro akaka kra bi o na fro eti sabu awoto ball agu nsuo mu wo awo ye den yo ese ni eba ne se Kwame Nkrumah seke wono mu anyini e ka kire ye se ya ye wono mu adwuma eti sa flooding situation no e bank ran no etu obetwa no ene dredging masters ne omo a ye so omo ti nsuo no mu nyina kiri no eno nsuo ni yiriye e wo Kwame Nkrumah ntwa ho wono mo eno so the Ghanaian Times said the hu mfonyi aba
ehia nso ni jaika
o meja ikora mawia no no na mejo maso mahama and ye soja nia say yes from say new denchira nipa bi akiri soja ni ode menya kromfo ni abro ni ekunu no o mayi empanimfo chese ni ekọọso no abantie si eja ne sa se wawu na chinyira na chinkata enye yie eti nra bolla ene wo hwe statue kase ene yakukurasi wo na abantie ne nsa baako won hu sei ena ne wo honom so wapagya kire se munyae eni ampofo agye nwom ne yede bekwa akoto ase wo honom ne nsa no ne wapagya ne no ase munyae dabi wonum nya hwe se wo se beginning no ko mo de statue ko honom na nananom de na mo ba ha ebe ye de yo ba mi hu ne se ho na nka wo se kro
ada na baby ye ne sande emfa bibia nkojo
ebi adachi omo de bi besi wo
dachi da ben
dachi de ne se akira asem ebi omo de bibekọ eti nei de unsa na nanom yemfo ana e wolla na omo so omo nte ase enso enkran akoye capital ya chese bibia ni a wo bi ba na wu se ne e course ni ye kyerɛkyerɛ na yatumi aka ho abakosem eti eno so emfo nyini wo ha sei ya unya da bomba ta
bi erikumi wa ye kuada
kuada me nya bi da
wonya kuada wono da
me na maye bi da
adode me school ma da punishment ma da me every weekend bi ana me do
me nka do aye
so ka do asem ina me ka do asem acho na adobi si adobi
wa kokoko fu mu da
ma kokoko fu
wo hen
me na kura na mko ya
wo hen
rafi po aguna bi po ade kopo ya ho no
akọ bayan fi se ni
o ache
nko bi da
ache
nsan kokoko fu bi mu da
me kwada so na etete me te ho na mtena kwada so zo fu ni o
wa doda
ai me ekuani
esa
adoburo da
wa na do ya na obi na do ma
o se obi na do se de en se ne etenkran akura etim do se me kodo cashew so madoburo da se me koye cashew ntino
wo ti koko ade na ba wadwurum
koko akoko de se ne beba wadwun mu aye se sika de bre wo mayi metete kwashi beba sika so aye nya free koko mu wo my Ghana mu no eno so beba be kan na sesei so koko no a yesi amanfo otwa wonu mu twa atwagu ebi di dua rubber ne saa niema no eno na etoda metwa no madwene ho se eniema no a yesi ebetumi ahye koko mu no anya bi yebetumi aye ne saa mena yeyie efisa besi a ye nam koko so a yetumi die ye de eboa wo mayimpu ntuo no koko no ba bi a niema ekeka kɔ amanfo otwa agu ye de dua rubber ye de ye niema foforo eni kyese kapito me koko mu nsam de se ye kasa ye ka akuafo no asu won ba bi a koko clinic si won kran the whole Ghana won ba bi a koko clinic wo won ba bi a koko clinic won kran ha sei na koko clinic wo ye ka koko clinic anka hin na wasi ekosi no ba bi akuafo no wo minim se ba bi ti se nkran kwanta ye koko clinic wo ye ni bi wo sahwinka sahwipo de sahwi enka yem koye sa koko clinic business akuafo no se ya sabia de amayen koko scholarship a ye de ma atitiri ma koko scholarship atitiri ma akuafo no madodo se ne nya bi wonu mu nya bi clinic no a wonya bi chocolate wonya bi ni koko rose ye yi ne nkran eti koko ne de
ya be duro ho amenti ase no
enkran koko road sakra eti koko akuafo no de captain sempanimfo betumi asesa niema mu on betumi asesa niema mu aya ma koko ne do no aya akono a ene nke nyina de ahu beko because me kasi ya me ka say me komu bie no is because of enne sani empanimfo naka ne ye be ye fa ho ye de board aba esese kashi no ye nya ne te se first no a na Lebanese fo ni we fo no mba na o makoche wuram ho no mo na akuafo ne se mo mato na o maje kwense ese ye be boa no ne aton ne te se koko enu na amma hu se ene ye no so mfa so bebam ade esu dua kora enche eti me de me hu hyemu a me de me sika ko hyemu a me ntun ye
When say Nipa na Odoko pa wa Shanti region and Koko do so pa when your Koko scholarship man and mother.
Onya, enya me nwanwa.
How?
Enya me nwanwa.
No, nwanwa.
Enya me nwanwa.
Nwanwa because e die nti na wono na wo sori anopa. Eti ahesuo, edo pamhye dua no wadodo ho a mewrade adom etimi aso no wono pe Koko scholarship a wono nya ye o school ye nim krofo a sabe ohe omo busuam a free so odoma koma hwan na ne agya baaye kwa adi kwa omunya bi da enso mo na ne kuta scholarship ebi mo de kwa abruchire ne ade nyina na Koko kwiani na wono dua no onya bi mane ba na sa na adwuma na se mo de nya na kan
ni pa no ono tinkran ha scholarship no be ba be si ni so no wono no na wo hwemu no wayiyi nipa abehwe na bi a wa free we ade no aba o ti nipa ye de man kra emisa se wo Koko ye misa se wo Koko ye de makeke na me se mo da mo fa Koko clinic nya example ezinkran edie pa na fa Koko akuafo mo a ewo mo doorstep se wo de sahwi kan ko ba bia sahwi wei wo adie we de yakosi clinic koko nti e was a we captain se wunya mpanimfo na wu bisa woni a bisa omo a ifise omo etete koko board office wono mo no enye hakma wusu agema be na o ka se wo betete omo bonus ni omo sika e bum 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 sika bum 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 ene wonu mu gidie na koko ni kuani no ono do no
na santete no mate
koko kuani no ono edo no wonya hwe free so
okay santete no mate de sika no ka so mbetete no mate
oh wa ye kora mo
CEO Emma Cocoa Board Baba show is one pay Wababe drew fi hadada Patro Baba
Joseph wa hinedu
Your friend Mrs. Cecilia me be supermarket wo biaye bebre enfie do abesten kono na me pese me